What's going on there, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to install a really simple alarm system on your bike. These run for about 12 bucks. They are like 120 to 160 decibel. Comes with a nice little remote key. I just need to create a deterrent, that's all. My handlebars lock, and I have a lockable peg that goes on the front disc brake, but I just want to create an extra deterrent. Noise, people hear it, then they don't want to tamper with it. I mean, it's just because of where I live, it's kind of a rough neighborhood. So literally these simple alarms, just negative, positive, straight to the battery. That's your antenna wire, and then two-sided sticky tape, or you can screw it down. Right now I'm just going to use the two-sided sticky tape. I'm going to pull this seat off. We're going to have a look underneath and see where the easiest spot to install this is. Like I said, I really don't feel like going through tons and tons of work putting a more expensive system on it. I might later, but I don't really see it as being a big thing right now because I do park it in my garage like the majority of the time. So let me grab a wipe real fast here. Alright, so I got a little disinfectant wipe. We're gonna put that on here, and I'm going to put this in the battery tray, I think. Maybe. Let's see, we'll just clean this whole area off and then figure out the best spot for it. Best spot might actually be right here. I'm thinking that's actually probably going to be the better spot for it, is right on the side here on the battery tray. So I'll move the camera here in a second, and I want to make sure I have the best possible connection I can. So we're going to clean this off really good, some disinfectant so that the tape sticks to it well. That should be good enough. I should be able to put it right there. That should work out well. Grab a clean microfiber here. That way there's no grease, oil, anything there. This bike will not be ridden in the rain, so I'm not worried about it getting wet. So let me move you guys over. So I'm gonna try to show you what I'm doing here. We're gonna do the two-sided sticky tape. Pretty sure that should fit, yeah, perfectly right there. Perfect. Well, you couldn't ask for a better spot for it. It's almost like it was meant to be. I like it, nice. And I should get a lot of sound because it's going to carry this whole area. So that should work really well. Let me undo this twist tie. I've already got the wires out. So undo that twist tie. And I get the sticky tape going on one side here real quick. I'm going to put it up as high as I can here. About like that. There we go. Want the most amount of room possible here. And then I'm just going to put the lid down one more time on here to make sure that this isn't going to restrict it in any kind of way. So we're going to put the seat back on. I just want to make sure the seat's not going to be pushing on it at all. So let me pop this down. Make sure there's nothing in the way whatsoever. Alright. Let's see where the bottom of the seat sits at. So yeah, it shouldn't be. Yeah, we should be good. Might be a little pressure against it, but nothing crazy. So I could move it down further, I guess, if I wanted to. Now I want to keep it higher. I definitely want to keep it higher. Okay, I think that'll work. That should work. Should work. If not, I can always move it, right? Right. So let's go ahead, put that on there for now. I have more 3M tape if I really need it, but that should create a really good seal. There we go. If I have to shave out that one side on the bottom of the seat, I will. I don't think it'll be necessary, but I will if I need to. And then we're just going to let that wire hang down there like so. And all you got to really do is get your extra wiring in there, which I will get a twist tie for when I'm done. We're going to back these, I can figure out what I did with my drill. Back these out here just a little bit, just enough that we can pinch it. There we go. Same thing over here. we go. Move this forward. Let's get the red one on there first. Move that wire back that way. See if we can get it underneath there. Let's see it working down here. Actually, it might be easier if I just pull up on that. Yeah, like that. That's probably the easiest way to do it. There we go. And I can tighten it down again. It should squeeze it. Like so. Beautiful. Alright, we're going to do the other side the same way. I'm going to have it go this way. Twist, twist, twist. I'll lift up. Oh, there we go. Apparently the arm's going to go off. There we go. So because the alarm was setting for the first time. There we go. Alright, so all that should be good to go. Pretty simple alarm. Should just be able to hit lock. Let's see. Is this the wrong remote? This might be the wrong remote. Let me try this one here. Yep, there we go. Alright, lock. Unlock. Pretty loud. Cool. Alright. So there's that. Now I need to see if I need to modify the bottom of my seat a little bit. Let me go ahead and just unlock this. Otherwise that'll be really annoying if I'm trying to do things with it. And we'll put that on my keychain, like so. There we go. Alright, now let's see if the seat actually goes down. My concern is that I'm going to have to shave a little bit of this off, which is fine. If I have to, I will. I might have to shave that corner. I'm going to see what kind of clearance I have first. If I have to shave that corner, I will. Let's see if it goes on there. Looks like it might. Without too much stress. Let me give a little push here. Should go down. There it is. Perfect. Alright, so the seat went down. I'm going to back you guys up just a little bit. There we go. Alright, so let me close the tripod real quick. We'll tilt this forward like so. And I'm going to show you how it looks underneath. So there you go. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm kind of tied up around the thing here. But there you go. You should be able to see it up there now. Up here. There it is. Right there. Perfectly visible. It's going to be nice and loud. And it should stay there. So, I should just be able to do this now. It should be super loud. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. Alright. Easy enough? Boom. Pretty simple, right guys? Like there really wasn't much to that. That's why I like those simple alarms. They're just awesome. Yeah, I kind of feel like this was necessary. I definitely feel like having a nice little alarm system. I bought almost a 200 decibel alarm system, so it's pretty loud. Does have vibration and a roll ball inside. Just putting the kickstand up set it off earlier, but if you give it a little tap, she's ready to go. It doesn't take much, you know. If you tap it again, she really goes crazy. That is really loud. There you go. Yeah, that was necessary. So it gives it like 2 or 3 seconds and then it registers any movement again. So if somebody's definitely tampering with the bike, it's gonna freak out on them. So I don't know, I needed a deterrent, that's all.